Good morning, children. Today we are going to discuss about the 6th class first unit, Peace and Harmony is a lesson. See, wherever the peace, there is the development and there is the unity. So here in this lesson, it is a moral story. Actually, in the olden days, joint families are there, grandparents are there. They used to teach so many moral values to the children. By listening that, children also motivated and they learn some of the moral values. But now it is difficult because of unique families. Only parents and their children, they are leaving. For that, so many other reasons. We will do that. So today we are going to learn about peace and harmony. I will show here one picture. See, it is your textbook, 6th class English textbook. And this is the first unit. And in this, see here, one of the forest they are showing. This is the forest. In this forest, you see all the animals, they are all together. They are combinedly living. And there is no disturbance among these all the animals. What happened? What the story of these animals? We are going to learn now. See, once upon a time, there was a forest. In that forest means we know different kinds of animals will live in that. Some of the cruel animals, domestic animals, soft animals, and vegetarian animals. So many of kinds of animals should live. Here also all kinds of animals are living in this forest. But how they are living? If we see in the forest, other stories, if we listen, tiger and lion will kill the smaller animals and will eat meat. That all the stories we will read. But here the story is different. In this forest, all the animals, they are living all together and in friendly nature. Even tigers and lions, they are very freely and friendly with the other animals. See, one example, if we take some of the examples he gave, elephants. Elephants are the biggest animal in the forest. These elephants, they like and they enjoy the swimming of the fishes. To see the swim of the fishes. And peacocks. We know peacocks. Peacocks are very beautiful birds and they will dance beautifully. These peacocks, they admire the song of miners. And they will enjoy the time with that miners. And parrots are there. They are also friendly with the peacocks. Pythons. Python, it has long body and it's a bigger snake. But that python, it used to play with the rabbits. Not only this, all these animals, they are very friendly. Ants are there. These ants, they play with the buffaloes. Buffalo is big animal. Ant is a smaller one. But this creature, it plays with the buffalo and it tickled that buffalo. Buffalo enjoyed the tickling of ants. So, such kind of atmosphere, it is there in that forest. All friendly atmosphere. No disturbances, no means you are a big animal, I am a small animal. Such kind of things, they not have. See, like this. In this picture, we saw. Like this, they are living and enjoying. And one more thing happened. Not only enjoying their life, weekends, maybe some of the weekends or some of the occasions, these all animals, they used to conduct one of the musical evening. Musical evening means we know already that whenever you have the birthdays, whenever you have any festivals, at the time you and your family members will gather and will make some of the music and will enjoy. Same way, and some of the programs will conduct. Same way here, these all animals, they used to gather one of the place. In that place, they used to enjoy that evening. Not only themselves they enjoyed the evening, they also called the moon, who is there in the sky. That moon as chief guest to them. And moon also liked their invitation. And he came to them and he enjoyed their musical evening. With the moon, moon's friends also there. They are the stars. Stars also attended that musical evening and he also enjoyed that musical evening. This is the happiest moment in the forest. They enjoyed all the moments and there is no partiality between the animals. Peacocks never feel shame to blame these miners and cuckoos because of their song, because this peacock it danced very well. In that musical evening, mynas and parrots they used to sing songs, and the bears they used to dance, and tigers and bears they used to do gymnastics. That also they did. And this all the events, the moon and his friends they enjoyed a lot. At this time, one small incident it happened, and something happened among all the animals. One of the enemy, one of the bad character, it entered into these animals. What is that character? The bad character, that is jackal. Jackal enter into that forest. Actually, jackal it is a new animal. It entered into this forest the first time, but it not digested the unity among all the animals. And because jackal it is non-vegetarian animal, it want to eat smaller animals, but it is too difficult in that forest to kill the smaller animals also. So it not digested that. Because of that, what this jackal it had some of the plan. It implemented that plan. What was that plan? What its implementation? What happened among all the animals after implementation of that plan? We will see in the next class. See, this story it is there in our textbook. Maybe some of the points while teaching, if I miss, it's better to you people that you should take the textbook and read it, and means don't miss any point which I taught up to now in this first part. All the points should read in your textbook. Stay home, stay safe. We will see what happened in the forest in next class, following class. Thank you.